What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys the Yeezy Slides in the Pure Colorway. These dropped on April 26th along with two other colorways. You had the Resin Colorway, that was a more of an avocado green colorway, and you had the Core Colorway, that was more of a darker brown colorway. Now I got the Pure Colorway. This is actually more wearable with different outfits. This is actually very similar to the Bone Colorway that dropped last year. These ones, I will also show you guys the comparison between those two. Now I'm going to take them out the box. Now in pictures this looks very similar to the Bone Colorway, but in person it definitely has a more darker shade to it. The Pure Slides is definitely a mix between the Bone and the Core Colorway. Although they look very similar, you won't even notice a difference from afar. Now with the Bone Slides, when I first got these, I had to break them in two. The first day that I wore them, they weren't really comfortable. The first week that I wore them, they weren't really comfortable because the rubber on it was really stiff. With these slides, you don't have to break them in, but these are comfortable right off the bat when you wear them. Now there's no Yeezy branding at all. There's only Adidas logo right here. In the inside you have a size tag sticker. You can just put on some white socks and it's a fit. I personally wear Uniqlo socks. It's more of an off-white color and it matches more with the earth tones. Generally I'm an 8.5, but I got these slides in the size 9 because these run very small. These slides are also very narrow and I have wide feet. In the back I do have some room left, but it's more so around the strap area where it's very snug. If you missed out on the drop, you could try to get a pair in June when they restock again, along with the orange colorway. I'm gonna try to get those too. Now if you have any further questions about these slides, if you're gonna grab a pair, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna be dropping a lot more videos about sneakers. I also dropped a review about these Nike Dunk High Dark Silver. It's on my channel right now if you want to watch it. Now I'm going to show you guys the on feet. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you next time. I'm out.